8:30. Do not move. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. Do not move.
Oh! You trying to take me in my privy?
Yes.
Okay, here. Bro, I'm pregnant. Get off of me.
Well, you gotta stop fighting, okay?
Okay, get off of me.
All right, stand up. Stand up for me. You didn't have to do that.
And you ain't have to hit her.
You was twice her age, man. You ain't have to do that.
And I recorded it. Black people don't got no rights. Okay. Like, go downtown.
You understand your rights? You understand your rights? Yes, you were under arrest for theft. Okay.
On May 24th, 2023, officers responded to an active shoplifting call at a Walmart store involving a mother and daughter engaged in skip scanning. Skip scanning is a form of retail theft in which a customer substitutes a low-value barcode for higher-priced merchandise at self-checkout, in this case, Kool-Aid packets, scanned in place of a shirt and other items, totaling just over $500. The officer confirmed the conduct through store CCTV before making contact, establishing probable cause prior to any physical encounter.
Yes.
Like what?
You're ringing stuff up as Kool-Aid packets, and then you rang up a tank top for the shirt.
I'm gonna hang on to your purse for you.
No, you're not going to touch my purse. And you can keep that.
You're not cooperative. You're under arrest.
No,
you are under arrest.
She didn't walk out the door.
I didn't walk out that door.
8:30. Do not move. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. Do not move.
Oh!
You trying to take me in my privy?
Yes.
Okay, here. I'll take it.
Just follow. Go with them. Go with them. I need you to come here. Place your hands behind your back.
I'm not going to jail.
I didn't say you're going to jail. I said you're under arrest.
No, that's...
Sir, you cannot
Do not
touch
make
me.
this. I can't. You are under arrest.
I did not go nowhere. I did not even go nowhere. What is wrong with you? Get your hands off of me. Okay, get your hands off of me.
off her.
You're hurting me.
Get off of her.
You're hurting me.
Off of her.
You need to back up.
You need to back up because
She's pregnant.
She didn't leave.
I didn't even go nowhere.
I'm not messing with
She didn't leave the door, so therefore you can't grab her.
Okay, can you let me go?
Let go.
No, I cannot.
Okay.
Yes, you
understand. You are
can.
under arrest.
No,
For
she's
what?
not under arrest. She didn't leave out the
I didn't
door.
even go nowhere.
Watch out. Get off her.
Okay, can you just let me go?
The
No, I
fuck?
cannot.
Okay, I will do what you asked. This is my daughter. Can you stop, please?
I need her to leave me alone.
Stop. Okay, Hyra, stop.
No.
Hyra, stop. Okay, she's pregnant. Please let me go, and I will calm down. Stop. Why are you squeezing my arm? Get my phone and record this.
No. He can't do
being
nothing.
recorded.
You didn't walk out the door.
Okay.
Get
What are
off
you doing? I'm not even doing nothing.
Get off of her. She
I'm
didn't
not-
go out the door, so it's
I'm not even
lost
doing
conviction.
nothing.
Let her go.
I'm not even doing
You have
nothing.
your
You're-
items, so you have to let her go.
She is pregnant.
Okay,
You
real
guys
simple.
are
You guys are under arrest.
No,
You're
you
not
guys
in charge
are
for
not under
theft.
arrest.
Put your hands in front of you.
No.
You're going to
Okay,
place in
okay.
handcuffs.
Okay, can you? Okay.
It's not up for debate.
Touch me. Get
It's
off.
not up for debate.
Bro, get the fuck. Get the fuck
Then
out.
stop resisting.
Get off of me, bro.
Stop resisting. Put your hands in front of me.
Let me calm
I'm
Get
offering to
off of me.
handcuff you. Do not interfere with me.
Off of me.
Stop it.
Get off of me.
I'm trying to not hurt you. You are under arrest. You are not in charge of this.
Move. Get the fuck off of me! Get off! Get off of me! Get the fuck! No, get off!
What?
Bro, I'm pregnant. Get off of me!
Well, you gotta stop fighting, okay?
Okay, get off of me!
All right, stand up. Stand up for me. Put your hands on your back, okay? Put your hands on your back. Yeah.
Get off of me! I didn't do that!
got
Get the fuck off of me!
Help them. You got her? Yep.
Bro, move! Get off of me! I didn't do nothing! Get the fuck off of me!
You're under arrest. Let's go.
Move! Get off of me! I didn't do nothing! Get the fuck off of me!
Don't touch me.
3. Yes.
You didn't have to do that.
And you ain't have to hit her.
You was twice her age, man. You ain't have to do that.
Everything, and I recorded it. Black people don't got no rights. Okay.
You want to pull this leg in?
Yes, I just want to make sure my daughter's all right.
Well, your daughter's out there. She's fine.
Walking out.
Okay. I mean, you shouldn't have did all that. She was pregnant.
Okay, she's still resisting.
No, she's not resisting. She was just saying,
Put your leg up.
oh my God.
Got everything? Shoot it. That's your card.
I think her receipt's in her bag. You can leave. Like,
Yeah, 524 and 456.
so I'm gonna take it.
No, we'll bring it out.
Thank you.
You're good.
Are you going to be arrested?
Any type of question?
So like, go
Do you
downtown?
understand your rights? Do you understand your rights?
Okay, I gotta call
Yes, you are under arrest for theft. Okay? It doesn't matter if you haven't left the store. Once you pass the last point of sale,
I didn't pass nothing.
okay, well, they have enough to your
Once
arrest.
you conceal an item, it is theft, whether you are in store or not.
Okay, but
All right, we're not having court out here. Just go.
Okay.
Yes, you are going there. Have a seat.
No.
My pastor, he want to know what's going on. He just want me to ask what's going on, that's all.
They're under arrest for
Stealing, they didn't want to be detained for stealing, they resisted arrest.
They were stealing.
Yep.
Okay, let me let you. This is the pastor. I don't forget about it.
That's
You just
They were caught
asked
going
me.
with stealing, they were approached by it, started the scene, didn't want to be placed under arrest for it, and that's where we're at now.
Okay, let me just let him know.
State, not local.
Pastor.
I might not have
Okay, hold on. What did you say? What?
They were placed under arrest. They were stealing. They didn't want to be detained for the theft. They resisted arrest. Now they're both going to the county jail. Correct. Correct. And Officer Ortega.
The county, right?
Yep, that's right. What's your name, young lady?
My name is Sahar. See my ID. I watched you look through the whole purse. There's nothing in there. I didn't steal nothing. You didn't see me walk out with nothing.
Okay. So you're under arrest right now. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you're not afford an attorney, the courts will appoint one to you. You have the right to stop answering questions anytime you talk to an attorney. You also have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You understand what your rights are? Okay.
Here we go, honey.
Never happens that way for us, unfortunately.
Yes.
No, it is. What'd you do to your hand?
I broke my I don't have a cast on it anymore. That's all she paid.
It's all right. They're coming.
What's that?
They're coming here. She's pregnant. She's hurting. They're gonna go behind the building so that it's not out front.
Less going on.
I just don't want a bunch of. I don't need the crowd coming out there and causing harassment out there too. You know. So this is the stuff they do pay for.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're. I'm assuming they're going to go to jail, but whatever. We'll just put them.
Completely up to your mom. I'm gonna fucking get them on.
I don't know, carry them.
No more problem.
I'll just take it. We'll give them an opportunity to call somebody to pick up their groceries if they want.
Okay.
Come on out, ma'am.
You need some help?
Yeah.
All right. It's going to be a little easier if you can lean back a little bit and get that other leg out.
Okay.
There you go. All
know
right,
what?
now we can scoot forward. Now you can press against the frame. There you go. Scoot yourself
Oh, I
forward.
can't. I honestly can't. Woo. Hold on. Oh, shoot.
All right. Let me do this.
Try to take me out like that?
You ready?
Yep.
Watch your head, watch your head, watch your head, watch your head. There you go. Scoot, 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 scoot. There you go. There you go.
Can I tell you something?
What's up?
I would have, even though I was as mad as I would have never took care of that warrant
I believe it.
because I actually forgot about it. And you said,
If you don't get bond posted tonight, you'll see a judge in the morning.
you okay? Where's your purse?
It's up front with me. I'm going to get your purse and stuff.
He said my phone is on the...
Yep, I'll get it all. Watch your foot, please. Hey, real quick, while I got both of you here, I want to say this now so I don't forget later, okay? Now, understand that what I'm about to say, I tell every person that I take to the county jail. It is not a personal thing. It is not an accusation. It is a statement, okay? If you have anything on you, any drugs, any paraphernalia, or any weapons, right now is your time to tell me. A lighter doesn't count as paraphernalia.
Oh.
Right? Including marijuana. If you got any,
Oh, no, I don't.
Right. I'm
got
not
you.
making a judgment. I'm making a statement, right? That
I think I got...
once we get to the county jail, it doesn't matter what it is, right? Your lighter is not irrelevant.
Okay, do you want to put my keys in my...
I'll check here in just a second.
Okay.
But if you have any, pipes, any papers, anything like that, any drugs, once we get in the county jail, it doesn't matter what it is, it becomes a felony 3 for conveyance. So right now, we can deal with it, on possibly like a lower misdemeanor level, depending on what it is. All right? But again, it's not a judgment, it's a statement that I make to every person I take to the county jail. So when we get in there, like, I had dope stuffed up in me. I didn't know. You did know because I gave you the opportunity. I have made the statement. Cruiser camera's reporting, my body camera's reporting, right? Okay. There's no denying that that people were given this warning.
Okay.
Are you worried about something?
What's wrong?
Just about being in the back of the car?
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Under the Fourth Amendment, a warrantless arrest in a public commercial space is constitutionally valid, where an officer possesses probable cause to believe a crime has been committed. That threshold was met here before the first word was spoken. The subjects immediately challenged the arrest on the ground that they had not physically exited the store. This argument reflects a widespread misconception. In the majority of U.S. jurisdictions, retail theft is legally complete upon concealment of merchandise with intent to deprive the owner of its value. Physical removal from the premises is not required. Passing the last point of sale with unpaid merchandise or placing items in a cart with evident intent not to pay constitutes the completed offense. The officer correctly stated this principle at the scene. Both subjects refused to comply and physically resisted the arrest. The legal question then shifts from whether the arrest was lawful to whether the force used to effectuate it was constitutionally reasonable. The Supreme Court established in Graham v. Connor in 1989 that the reasonableness of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of 20/20 hindsight. The court identified 3 controlling factors: the severity of the crime at issue, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat to officer safety, and whether the suspect is actively resisting arrest or attempting to flee. All 3 factors supported the use of control force here. The offense met felony level threshold in most states. The subjects were actively and continuously resisting. No weapons were deployed. The pregnancy introduced a special vulnerability consideration courts have recognized in Graham analysis. However, active physical resistance does not legally require an officer to disengage from a lawful arrest. The officer's verbal acknowledgement during the struggle, "I'm trying not to hurt you," combined with his accommodations during vehicle loading, demonstrate awareness of this duty and directly mitigate any post-arrest excessive force claim. Miranda rights were administered in full at approximately 7 minutes 57 seconds. Into the footage, right to silence, right to counsel, right to appointed counsel, right to stop answering at any time. Complete and legally compliant. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, this advisement is required prior to custodial interrogation. Its proper delivery here protects the evidentiary value of any statements the daughter subsequently made. A separate and critical legal development emerged during transport preparation. The mother disclosed an outstanding arrest warrant, a pre-existing legal obligation that provided an entirely independent basis for her custody. In Utah v. Streif, 2016, the Supreme Court addressed the legal weight of pre-existing warrants. A valid outstanding warrant constitutes independent, lawful authority for arrest, separate from any underlying offense being investigated. The officer's pre-transport contraband warning was procedurally significant. By placing the warning on Bodycam record, the officer documented that both subjects were explicitly advised that introducing contraband into the county jail constitutes a felony 3 conveyance charge regardless of quantity. This escalation from potential misdemeanor drug possession to felony conveyance is codified in virtually all U.S. jurisdictions under contraband in correctional facility statutes. The warning was thorough, documented, and legally appropriate. The arresting officer receives a B+. Probable cause was well established before contact. Arrest authority was correctly articulated at the scene. Miranda advisement was complete. Use of force remained within gram parameters against active, continuous resistance. Pre-transport procedure was thorough and documented. Deductions stem from the delayed medical response. EMS coordination was not initiated at the first disclosure of the pregnancy, and backup was not requested early enough. For a 2-subject arrest involving active resistance, the mother receives a D. She participated in a documented felony-level theft captured on store CCTV. She physically resisted a lawful arrest. She had an unresolved outstanding warrant at the time of the encounter. Her legal argument that no theft occurred because her daughter had not exited the store is incorrect under the controlling standard. The daughter receives a C-. Her active participation in the theft was documented independently. Her sustained physical resistance necessitated the use of control force, the outcome she sought most to avoid, and placed her own pregnancy at elevated risk. Her argument about not crossing the exit threshold is not a viable legal defense. Several legal lessons emerge from this encounter applicable to anyone present at an arrest as a subject, a bystander, or an officer. First, physical resistance to a lawful arrest is never legally advantageous. It does not void the underlying charge. It adds a resisting arrest count. It provides legal justification for escalated force. It increases personal risk. Second, disputing the legal basis for an arrest at the scene has no legal effect. The appropriate venue is a court of law, not the store exit. Compliance at arrest and challenge in court is always the superior strategy. Third, for officers, the pre-transport contraband warning documented on camera is a low-cost, high-value procedural step that protects the officer, the institution, and the integrity of the arrest. Its absence creates institutional liability. Fourth, the concealment doctrine governs retail theft in most U.S. jurisdictions. Exiting the store is not the legal threshold. Intent to deprive, combined with concealment or misrepresentation at point of sale, completes the offense. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.